Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can probably tell in here, it's a little dark, and that is because the power went out. As I was working on the panel here, lights flickered and the power went out. But this video is basically just going to be an update of the 3030 here. As you can see, I got an enclosure for it, which I have a video on putting all of it together. It's mounted up here on the wall, so this is where the new system will go. You know, a bunch of speaker strobes. The 9200 will be moved to somewhere else, and I'll have all of this wall to do a demo system. Sorry about the beeping in the background, that's my UPS. Now, as you can see here, there's the amplifier, and I was lucky enough to actually have the batteries plugged in. One of those sets is for the amplifier, and the other is for the main power supply. But I do have one power supply over there, which is basically a NAC extender for 4 NACs, and that didn't have any batteries connected to it at the time. So as you can see on the DVC, which I just got working by the way, I actually had some speaker circuits disabled. We can go ahead and re-enable these. These lights right here are telling me that 2 of the NAC circuits are down. The only reason the other 2 aren't coming on is because they're not programmed in. And then right here on the screen it says that there's a no answer from a few of the points from that power supply over there. That's basically it. This is just a little update video. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.